Thank you. So I've got a new EP coming out soon, 28th of this month, and this is going to be one of the singles, which will be out in January, I think. It's called Fireworks. I got a nice guy and he loves me so, but even so, I know I'm gonna have to let go, cause the weed streets must have a happy life. I'm looking for something more, something worth dying for. Maybe I've seen too many films, too many songs, too many books. Tell me what real love's supposed to look like. It may mix us, but I'm scared I'm gonna miss some. I missed a dusty Romeo. So tell me which way I should go, cause I'm looking for sparks to light up my fireworks, to put on a show that makes everyone go. I think I'm going to do a Welsh song. This is called Yn Noson Gyntaf, which translates as The First Night, and it's a love song. Enjoy it.
Canolfan,
Thank you. This is actually going to be my first single, and it's called Lifeboats. I'm going to do one more on the piano and then I'm going to play a bit of guitar. This one's called A Song That I Knew. So back home in Canolfan, I've got a band, and now that I'm coming down here quite often to do some gigs, it's kind of a long way to bring the band. And so I'm trying to do a lot of gigs by myself, and to keep it interesting, I've picked up the guitar, which I started playing back in, I think it was about, I bought this guitar for myself for Christmas, so I've been playing it since then, so still a work in progress, but it's a lot of fun. This is a song called This Town. is your old melody.
So my name's Sera. It's S-E-R-A, and you can Google me and all that. You go to seraofficial.com. There'll be some tour dates and stuff for my new EP. This next song I wrote on the long journey back from Cardiff to Canolfan on the cold, wet and windy nights. It's called When Will I Be Home?
So I go down this dark road. I would line all the mountains back for a path that I can follow. Scare me not, though you are strong and striking as I drive along the dead end land down which I roam. You tower on little souls, little wheels that go and they go, go, go. When will I be home? Will I make it home? 'Cause these journeys don't mean anything at all, and I am small, I go from me to be seen to sleep. To the only thing I dream from behind my steering wheel. No one like no moonlight in the grey. It was such a cloudy. The thoughts of you and thoughts of sleep, when it almost made me lose the snooze. And glaring eyes from in the woods, they take their chances if they could. But I drive past so much they go, I'll be back north before you know. Still a heart wants to know, no, 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 no. When will I be home? Will I make it home? 'Cause these journeys don't mean anything at all, and I am small, I go from A to B, seem
Okay, this one's called, well, it's kind of unnamed, it's a new song. And it's about why I think some people are artists, writers, musicians. It's probably one reason why I am.
She wakes in the early morning, she's trying to find a story, trying to make some sense for why she cries. Paints colors on the canvas, it's not a pretty picture, it's not a thing at all, it's just the features of her mind. And she does this all the time, 'cause she thinks art and words and music gives space and time. Try and make some meaning, what's the reason for her breathing? And she good enough, it's not bad enough to give it up. And is this really love or just a need to be loved? And is that ever good enough? And he's driving down the road, knows every street and turning. He doesn't read the road signs, not a thing that he's learning, but try and make the most of this corner of the coast. Where's that big adventure he'd wanted most? And now art and words and music gives him space and time to wonder, to try and make some meaning. What's the reason for his breathing? And is he good enough? It's not bad enough to give it up. And is this really love or just his need to be loved? And is that ever good enough? If it's good enough for most, then you try and shoot the ghost. The bullets go straight through. What do you expect for them to do? Sit down and take a talking to who you were trying to undo. And maybe they will look a lot like you. Oh, oh, oh. Day-to-day routine. When the week is over, there was nothing to be seen. To shine a little light there, to hope for all your life. Fuel for exploration is alive and well tonight. It's in your creative side. Because art and words and music gives space and time. I wonder, to try and make some meaning. What's the reason for your breathing? Are you good enough? It's not bad enough to give it up. Is this really love or just your need to be in love? But you can't find your story 'cause you make it as you go. You're writing out the pages of the words of all the ages. And are you good enough? What's good enough? And who decides?
one more Nebrano, and that'll be it for this night. I'm going to do a Welsh one, and I'm going to do an English one. This is from my Welsh album called Agor, which means lost.
Come in, go.
stricken hearts, stricken hearts, beings, laugh along, didn't care, didn't plan for us. I guess we just forgot to love us till our bodies ached with all our hearts could take. It's those mistakes we make that take us from love to anger, from anger to love, from beauty to pain and back to beauty again and again and again. Oh, and I can't believe how I failed at this, and I just can't believe how I was so wrong. But there's such a fine line between all we have here and what we had till we ever had. And I drink up, I go out and make out to love, 'cause it's all that I've got to feel what I do not really feel at all, feel at And we go from love to anger, from anger to love, sorrow to relief, and back to nursing my grief. And it's love and anger, from anger to love and anger, when it's all I'm thinking of. Love and anger, from anger to love. Love and anger, from anger to love. Thank you.
Okay, I'm going to play something quite upbeat. This is good fun to play with the band. It's not quite the same on the piano, but I hope you enjoy it. It's called Dreamcatcher.
It's dark and stormy nights, and I can't sleep without lights. But I know it's just my mind, my dreams are nightmares. And I know it's just no use. I can't dream the things I choose. What's the matter with my mind? My dreams are nightmares, nightmares. So keep me safe in your bed, and let your kisses fill my head and keep me cool through the storm, and let your body keep me warm. And all these times they will not matter, 'cause you are my dream catcher, my dream catcher. And I'm restless once again, and the clock reaches 3 a.m. Do you think I'm weird? Do you think there's something behind these thoughts in my mind? 'Cause all of my dreams are nightmares, they're nightmares. So keep me safe in your bed, and let your kisses fill my head, keep me cool through the storm. Just let your body keep me warm, and all these times they will not matter, because you are my dream catcher, my dream catcher. You stole me from running from something I can't see. It's catching up to me. You stole me from
Okay, I have about 3 minutes left, so I'm going to do a really, really short song. Oh, my songs are kind of long. I'm going to do my single again. So I'm Sera, and please check me out on seraofficial.com. It's S-E-R-A, just to be awkward. And yeah, thanks for listening. Hope you have a great night. Sounds like there's some good shows on tonight, so enjoy. And yeah, I've been Sera. Thank you. This is Fireworks.
I got a nice guy and he loves me so, but even so, I know I'm gonna have to let go. Cause though he treats me so that I'll be left, I'm looking for something more, something worth dying for. Maybe I've seen too many films, too many songs, too many books, but tell me what real love's supposed to look like. And maybe I'm just but I'm scared of goodness, I'm not Mr. Darcy Romeo. So tell me which way I should go, cause I'm looking for sparks to light up my fireworks. So put on a show that makes everyone go. Ooh, you see me living like this. Ooh, you know love like this. And as we explode, did anyone know that you feel so high? Sparks fly. Got the bugs in the sky. Well, maybe I'm expecting too much for my heart to pound every time that we touch. Or maybe not even the fact that I believe that love can last forever and people stay together. Cause I'm simply looking for sparks to light up my fireworks. So go on a show that makes everyone go. Ooh, have you seen anything like this? Ooh, have you known love like this? And as we explode, did anyone know that you could feel so high? The sparks fly. Look at the bugs in the sky. Give me the pain, I want to run on that emotional train. I know they make rush cause I'm going too fast, but I'm just spending time too late. And I haven't found you yet, cause I'm looking for sparks to light up my fireworks. To put on a show that makes everyone go. Ooh, have you seen it like this? Ooh, have you known love like this? And as we explode, did anyone know that you're going to feel so high? And ooh, have you seen it like this? Ooh, have you known love like this? And as we explode, did anyone know where you could feel so high? Sparks fly. Look at the bugs in my sky. In my sky, in my sky.
Thank you.